Starting dropshipping with no money requires resourcefulness and strategic planning. Here's a brief guide. Choose free platforms. Use free e-commerce platforms like Shopify's 14-day trial or WooCommerce on WordPress. These platforms allow you to set up an online store without initial costs. Select free dropshipping suppliers. Partner with suppliers on platforms like AliExpress that offer free dropshipping services. You can list and sell their products without purchasing inventory upfront. Create high-quality content. Develop compelling product descriptions, engaging content, and high-quality images to attract customers. Content creation can be done with no financial investment. Utilize social media. Leverage social media platforms for marketing. Create business profiles on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products without spending on advertising. Implement organic SEO. Optimize your product listings for search engines. Utilize free SEO tools and techniques to improve your website's visibility and attract organic traffic. Negotiate credit terms. Negotiate with suppliers for extended payment terms. Some suppliers may allow you to pay for products after you made a sale, helping you manage cash flow. Offer pre-orders. Allow customers to place pre-orders for products. Once you receive orders and payments, use the funds to fulfill those orders with your dropshipping supplier. Bootstrap and reinvent profits. Start small, reinvest profits into your business, and gradually expand. Use the revenue generated from sales to cover initial costs and scale your dropshipping venture.